Bitcoin SB is currently at 620.29 rands per coin, with a price range of 616.67 to 624.44 rands, and a previous day's close of 621.73 rands. The percentage change was 1.44 to 0.23%. In the near future, ZAR to BSV Bitcoin SB price projection for next month. On May 11th, the Bitcoin SB gauge was 613 rands, with a top of 656 and a low of 570. Bitcoin SB price estimate for May 12th is 614 rand, with a 3-week high of 661 and a low of 571. On May 15th, the Bitcoin SB gauge cost 600 rand, with a high of 642 and a low of 558. On Wednesday, May 17th, the Bitcoin SB gauge priced between 596 and 638 rands. On Thursday, May 18th, the price of Bitcoin SB was predicted to be 599 rands. The high was 641 and the low was 557. On Friday, May 19th, the estimated price of Bitcoin SB was 604 rands. High 646, low 562, and about a month later. On Monday, May 22nd, the predicted Bitcoin SB price was 597 rands, with a high of 639 and a low of 555. On Tuesday, May 23rd, the price of Bitcoin SB was 593 rands. 635 rands is a low price. A high of 635 rands price projection for Bitcoin SB in 2023, 2024, 2025, 2026, and 2027. Bitcoin SB price projection for April 2023 is initially 643 rands, then 692 rands, and finally 135 rands. The average cost value was determined to be 660. Bitcoin SB price forecast for the following months and a 5.92% change in April. Bitcoin SB price forecast for May 2023 is 592 rands, with a high price of 657 and a low price of 523. They arrived at the $584 halfway. Bitcoin SB prices are speculative in the months ahead, with a 562 rands move from a 1% Bitcoin SB price projection for June 2023 at a starting price of 562 rands, with a high price of 562 and a low price of 444. They arrived at the midpoint of 511 Bitcoin SB prices projected for the months and 477 change for June 15, 1% Bitcoin SB figure for July 2023, which was initially priced at 477 rands, high cost 518, and low cost 450. He arrived at the median price of 482 Bitcoin SB for the months and 484 change for July 1st. 0.5% Bitcoin SB price projection for August 2023. The initial price was 484 rand, with a high cost of 552 rand and a cheap cost of 480 rand. He arrived at the 508 midway cost. Bitcoin SB prices are approaching $516. Bitcoin SB indicator for September 2023 has changed by 6.6% in August. The starting price is 516 rands, the excessive price is 530 rands, and the cheap price is 460 rands. The median price of Bitcoin SB was discovered to be 500, with a 495 change in September and a 4.1% Bitcoin SB price estimate for October 2023. The median cost of 448 was established by starting with a cost of 495 rand, outrageous cost 495, and modest cost 387. Bitcoin SB price prediction for months and 460. 16% change in October. Bitcoin SB indication for November 2023. With a starting price of 416 Rand, an excessive price of 440 Rand, and a low price of 382 Rand, the median price was discovered to be 412 Rand. Bitcoin SV price trend over the months, with 411 modification for November 1's T Bitcoin SV price estimate for December 2023 is 2%. The cost of first place was 411 Rands, 440 Rands for second place, and 382 Rands for third place. Bitcoin SV price movement over the months and 411 change for the 0% change in December indicator for Bitcoin SV in January 2024. The most expensive cost was 411 Rands, while the least expensive cost was 335. The cost intermediate value was calculated to be 379. Bitcoin SV price prediction for January 12th in months and 360 changes. For February 2024, the 4% Bitcoin SV price estimate is as follows: minimum price 360 Rands, maximum price 432 Rands, and minimum price 360 Rands, with a median price of 389 Rands. Monthly Bitcoin SV price projection and 404 change for February. 12.2% Bitcoin SV projection for WAC 2024 first price at 404 Rands, excessive price at 462 Rands, low price at 402 Rands, with 425 Rands as the median price. Bitcoin SV price projection for April 2024 is 69%. The medium cost value of 391 was found by starting with a cost of 432 Rands, an excessive cost of 432 Rands, and a cheap cost of 338 Rands. Bitcoin SV price prediction for months and 363 change for April. 16.0 SV swapping scale similar to 0.1612 coins per 100 Rand at the moment, 0.1601 to 0.1622 the previous days, close to 0.1608 change. Is the world's largest cryptocurrency. According to CoinMarketCap, Bitcoin's market share is now 46.67%, 0.23% lower than it was yesterday. Bitcoin has been strong, and it has grown in all 4 months of the year for the first time since 2013. It is currently in a short-term decline, but there is solid support at $27,000 if it falls any more. Once it bounces back, said Vikram Subburaj, CEO of Giadas crypto platform, getting back $30,000 will be the best way to go. The U.S. Federal Reserve will host a press conference later this week. We expect some volatility on both sides based on the status of the economy